How to see least interacted friends or followers on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now once inside your profile section, you can simply see following option available there. You will see the number of people you follow. At the top, you will see two categories, least interacted with and most shown in feed. Tap on the least interacted with. Now Instagram will show you a list of people you interact with list over the last 90 days, meaning you really like, comment or react to their content. And that is it. You can either unfollow them if you want or mute their stories post instead of unfollowing as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.